Welcome to Bike Reviews Pro. Yes, we usually focus on two wheels, but when a performance icon like the 2026 BMW M5 hits the spotlight, we can't resist. Let's dive into what makes this next-gen M5 a powerhouse you should know about. Redesigned for a new era. The 2026 BMW M5 brings a bold new look with sharper lines, wider hips, and an aggressive stance that's unmistakably M. Built on BMW's CLAR platform, it balances sportiness with luxury. The kidney grille is more refined than oversized, and air intakes are all business, channeling airflow and performance intent. Electrified muscle. This isn't your dad's M5. For the first time, the M5 is a plug-in hybrid. It pairs a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 with an electric motor, pushing out a staggering 717 horsepower and 738 lb-ft of torque. That's more power than any previous M5, and it still manages short-range EV driving for daily use. BMW claims 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.0 seconds, making it a true super sedan. Precision in motion. BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive returns, offering configurable modes, including a rear-wheel drive setting for purists. Expect tighter handling thanks to adaptive M suspension, rear-wheel steering, and carbon ceramic brakes for those who push limits on track days. Tech and interior overhaul. Inside, the M5 blends tech with tradition. A curved display runs BMW's iDrive 9, and a layout leans driver first. M-specific touches, like contrast stitching, carbon trim, and sports seats, keep things feeling premium but performance-focused. Efficiency meets power. With hybrid assistance, BMW estimates over 30 miles of pure electric range. It's a step toward cleaner performance without giving up what M cars are known for: thrills, responsiveness, and daily usability. Final thoughts. The 2026 BMW M5 isn't just evolving. It's rewriting what a performance sedan can be. From brutal speed to sustainable tech, it sets a new benchmark. Thanks for watching Bike Reviews Pro. Whether it's bikes or beasts like this M5, we bring you the ride that excites. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.